as the Prime Minister is also to take oath for the third term tomorrow, the Congress party has predicted that the government will not even be able to run successfully for 5 years and that there would be mid-term polls. The former Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel welcomed the Lok Sabha election results and stated that the public has taught a good lesson to those who break parties and also put elected chief ministers in jail and threatened them. Baghel also added that this government would not be able to survive for 5 years, predicting mid-term elections, saying it may be held within 6 months to 1 year. Other opposition leaders have also been echoing similar sentiments. Listen in.
एनडीए सरकार में हम अगले 10 साल में, मैं बहुत जिम्मेवारी के साथ कह रहा हूं, अगले 10 साल में गुड गवर्नेंस, विकास, नागरिकों के जीवन में क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ, और मेरा व्यक्तिगत रूप से एक बहुत बड़ा ड्रीम है, मैं लोकतंत्र की समृद्धि को जब सोचता हूं तो मैं चाहता हूं कि सामान्य मानवीय के जीवन में से, और खास करके मध्यम वर्ग, उच्च मध्यम वर्ग, उनके जीवन में से सरकार की दखल जितनी कम हो उतनी लोकतंत्र की मजबूती है।
आपने बोला कि मिड टर्म इलेक्शन हो सकते हैं, 6 महीने से ज्यादा ये सरकार नहीं चलने वाली, क्या वजह है सर इसके पीछे?
ट्रिपल एन एक साथ नहीं रह सकते, नरेंद्र, नायडू और नीतीश, ये एक साथ नहीं रहेंगे और देख लेना मिड टर्म होगा।
Of course, he's right. There is an unrest within the RSS, between the RSS and the BJP. There's a lot of unrest within the BJP. There is a lot of unrest within Gujarat, within Maharashtra. There are several low-pressure areas which are being built, and it will lead to a Category 10 cyclone.
बहुत बड़ा सवाल है जनता के बीच में ये कि असमंजस की स्थिति है। जिस प्रकार से भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने मजबूरी में एनडीए की सरकार बनाई है, वो एनडीए जिसका नाम 10 वर्षों तक किसी ने नहीं सुना, आज उसकी जो सरकार बनी है तो कहीं ना कहीं जितने भी सहयोगी हैं, न वो भारतीय जनता पार्टी पर विश्वास कर सकते हैं, न भारतीय जनता पार्टी उन पर विश्वास करती है। ये एक मजबूरी का गठबंधन है और मुझे लगता है ये गठबंधन कितने दिन चलेगा ये देखने वाली बात होगी।
Well, on the other hand, the BJP leaders have said that the opposition is making such statements to stay relevant after the loss in the elections. The BJP said that such statements were just a desperate bid by the opposition to mislead the people of the country.
Bhupesh Baghel ji has lost his own election very badly. He would do well to probably focus on his party's works there. And as far as we are aware, he is not exactly a BJP leader or someone who has deep roots in the BJP that he can so authoritatively come up with these kind of wild statements about different BJP leaders. This is nothing but perhaps an attempt to somehow remain important or relevant in the media by raising these kind of wild allegations or accusations or wild statements that have no basis, and perhaps to bring back the focus on their political existence. This is nothing more than that.